Syspro was already implemented before I started at Northern States Metals, but I know that our leadership team was looking more for something that could work as the company, grew with them. So.
Northern States Metals, we have two divisions. We have the industrial products side, which we call IP, and then we also have the renewable energies division. The industrial products division, we mainly focus on aluminum extrusions. We don't actually do the extrusions at our facility, but we will engineer it for you. We will see it all the way through the process and then make sure that you get the product that you ordered.
When we're doing our average costing updates or our end of the year physical counts, and we have found it to be very, very user friendly, which is nice, because I've worked in a few other accounting jobs, and coming here using Syspro, I felt like I came in and I could use it right away. It was very user friendly, very easy to navigate.
We've cut our closing time for accounting down from 10 days to 5 days, and also with the WIP process, we're able to track our jobs a lot better because we are a job shop, so our WIP variances, we're able to cut run times down.
So I love that you can create like the user dashboard at the front when you open up Syspro. I have all of mine color coded and by like whether it's AR, invoice processing, AP supplier query, I have everything color coded and set. You can put out like your favorites tab. So that makes it really, really easy to go in and post my payment. And I'm able to easily and readily access all the reports that I use on a daily basis, hourly basis, whatever it may be.
If the CFO would come to me and ask me, how much have we paid this supplier year to date? Then I can quickly go into the supplier query and export that data and email it to her all within 10 minutes maybe. I mean, it's quick. This year alone, we've definitely grown a lot, so we hope that within the next 5 years, Syspro is going to continue to grow with us. If you want a one-stop shop with great services, great support, I would go with Syspro.